Hey, welcome back to Chicago Car Club. Today we're looking at our 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme. This is a great restoration candidate. It's a 350 rocket, automatic, and we have the build sheet, protecto-plate. The car's been sitting for the better part of 35 years or more right now. It was sold in Illinois. New. It was custom ordered, so we have all the specs on it, and it was purchased by us within about 20 miles of the original dealer. I believe it's a two-owner car. We do have the manuals, protecto-plate, like I said, the original build sheets. This is the correct colorway for the car. I'm going to walk you around and show you the options, some of the spots that we see here, like rust and whatnot. Give you a good feel for the car. It is a factory air car, factory power steering. It's also a disc brake option car. Vinyl top, as you can see, just taking you around the quarter panels. This stripe was a custom ordered stripe. It looks like some body filler there at some point. Just kind of give you a good in-depth walk around so you can see what you're in for. The iconic 72 taillights, which I happen to love. All around, all the trims here for the most part. It did have some trim options, so the side panel trim was option new on the car. This has really become a popular body style in recent years. I've always leaned towards these of this era. But a great car. Do a little body work too. Tend to the engine and either have a driver or make it a show car. You can see here we've got the original 1978 township sticker. Interior, the car's been sitting. Black carpet. Little musty smell inside, nothing out of the ordinary. The wood trim, as you can see, the AC here, the radio, these were options on the car. Bucket seats was a nice option with the center floor mount shifter. 3-point seat belts. We don't have the key for the trunk, but we looked through the back seat and we can confirm there's no gold back there. Looks relatively empty. Again, just want to show you everything on the car. All the interior panels are there. All the dash panels are there. Inside the door jamb. Seats. Wipers. Again, you got your factory air option, your deluxe steering wheel, your Woodgrain trim. We'll take you under the hood here. We pulled the plugs on it and dumped some oil down the cylinders or sprayed some penetrating oil down the cylinders. When we put a battery to it and try to crank it over, it does not turn over. No surprise at all from sitting that long. I'm sure the rings are stuck. We didn't go any further on that. No sense in causing any other damage to it, especially if somebody's going to take this and restore it or do work to it themselves. As you can see, power brakes, power steering. Everything's here and complete. Your cowl mount trim tag. Crack in the windshield, otherwise the glass looks pretty good on it. Got the nice wheel option. But again, if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. We look forward to hearing from you. 312-420-3696. Thanks.